Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. I'm one busy mama, also known as Bethany. Thanks for coming. We have Ipsy Glam bag plus for the month of October. Almost like lost track of time here. I don't have my glam bag. So this is the $28 plus some fees and taxes and whatnot. So you get 5 full-size products, 3 out of 5 you get to pick, which is a great deal. And according to your profile, beauty, makeup, skincare, all that good stuff. So let's pull out the bag. A bunch of stuff fell out, but this is the bag. I like it. I really like it. You can see like some skulls, pumpkins, witch hat, an arrow. I like it. Very October, Halloween-y. There's a card, Halloween, and ready to drop dead gorgeous this month. So typically there's nothing in the card, just some tips and tricks. So first item in there is Dr. Brandt facial cleanser. Cleanse, purify, exfoliate. Oh, 105 mLs. I was actually looking for some of my stuff. It's sealed, so this is great. Nice pricey brand, so I'm not mad about that. As long as the rest of the stuff is not skincare. Next, I believe this was my pick. I like this little lady on here. What is this? It's hard to see. Dermalogicas. This is Soft Salt Glow. I think this is a body scrub. Hard to read the writing. It smells very scented, which is nice, but you can see it's definitely a scrub. So I'm gonna use this. So let's just crack a little. Yeah, it's see, before I even opened it, it's definitely scented. So if you don't like stuff that's super perfumey, this is, but it has collagen in here, so which is great for regeneration of the skin and skin cells. All right, I only have 2 more products, so I'm missing something. That's the first time. Okay, Earth Harbor. Not happy about that. This is Cloudburst Balancing Gel Hydrator. 2 ounces or 60 mLs. Their packaging is really pretty, but I've got like every single one of these things. This is very nice. You can actually see some swirls in there. Let me see if you guys can catch. There's some swirls. Typically their stuff has like a scent. This isn't bad. It smells fresh, actually. Very minty, I would say. The brand itself is plant-based, holistic, but gel moisturizers are usually for oily skin, so I'll put this to the side. And the other thing, so we only have 4 products, I don't have to reach out to them, is Fenty Baby. And this is Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. Stunna is the color right here. Lip paint, Stunna lip paint. And Uncensored, I'm sorry, is the color 01, which looks like a super bright red. I don't even wear bright reds, but the options were for Fenty, so I went with it. Look at how pretty. It kind of looks like a reddish orange. Very pretty. I haven't decided if I'll stick it to the side. What I will do right now is send an email over to Ipsy, because 4 products, something is missing. I know I picked out this and this, so we'll see. Stay tuned for maybe a little short if I ever receive it. I do like the bag, I will say, and I'm sure they'll send me out whatever the replacement is. Let me know if you like this video, contents, and the bag. Would you love it? Or chuck it. And subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Stay tuned for more, guys, and stay safe.